Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 14, Python Lists vs Tuples. Lists and tuples are both used to store collections of items. Lists use square brackets while tuples use parentheses. Lists are mutable and allow changes while tuples are immutable. This is the main difference between them. Tuples perform faster than lists because their immutability allows optimization. Lists are better for dynamic data. Tuples consume less memory than lists, making them useful for fixed data. Lists use more memory because they can grow. Use lists for data that changes and tuples for fixed structured data. Tuples are also useful for returning multiple values. This diagram shows the simple decision-making flow to choose between a list or a tuple depending on your data needs. Here is an example demonstrating how lists can be modified while tuples remain unchanged. When this program runs, it prints the updated list and the unchanged tuple, showing the difference clearly. This example creates a list and a tuple with the same values and prints both of them. The output of example 1, list vs tuple creation, is as follows: 10, 20, 30, 10, 20, 30. Here the list is modified by changing the value at index 1. The output of example 2, modifying a list, is as follows: 1, 20, 3. A tuple cannot be modified. Changing its value results in an error. So the original tuple remains unchanged. The output of example 3, attempting to modify a tuple, is as follows: 1, 2, 3. This example demonstrates how a function can return multiple values using a tuple. The output of example 4, returning multiple values using tuples, is as follows: 9, 20. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a list and a tuple with the same values and print both. Use square brackets for the list and parentheses for the tuple before printing. Exercise 2. Modify an element in a list and print the updated list. Change a specific index value and display the modified list using print. Exercise 3. Try modifying a tuple and observe what happens. Use a statement like tuple_name index equals new underscore value to see the immutability error. Exercise 4. Create a tuple to store coordinates and print each value. Assign x and y values inside a tuple and print them using indexing. Exercise 5. Write a function that returns 2 values using a tuple. Return multiple results separated by commas and print the returned tuple. Thank you for watching episode 14. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.